Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are talking about an unvaccinated, unmasked teacher who infected more than half of the students in class with COVID-19 as per CDC reports. An unvaccinated elementary school teacher who took off their mask to read to students ended up infecting more than half of them last May as they went on to infect other students, family members, community members, etc. California public health officials reported on Friday. It's a prime example of how easy it is to undermine efforts to protect children too young to be vaccinated. The teacher came to work even though they had COVID-19 symptoms and then took off their mask to read to the young students, a team at Marin County Public School Public Health reported in the CDC's weekly report on death and disease. The teacher assumed that the symptoms indicated allergies and not infection, as per the investigators. In the classroom of 22 students, 12 became infected, including 8 out of 10 students in the two front rows. And that's despite layers of measures intended to prevent transmission of the virus. The school required teachers and students to mask while indoors. Interviews with the parents infected students suggested that the students' adherence to masking and distancing guidelines in line with CDC recommendations were high in the class. However, the teachers was reportedly unmasked on occasions when reading aloud in class. Throughout this period, all desks were separated by 6 feet. All classrooms had portable, high-efficiency particulate air filters, and doors and windows were left open. But it wasn't enough to protect the kids. Eventually, 27 people, including the teacher, were infected. None were seriously ill and all recovered. Those cases that were analyzed involved the Delta variant of the coronavirus as well, although the researchers said they were not necessarily able to test everyone who may have been infected. The CDC highlighted the case as an example of how schools needed to follow all recommendations if they want to protect students and staff. The introduction of the virus into the classroom by a teacher who worked in school while she was both symptomatic and unvaccinated and who was unmasked when reading aloud to the class resulted in cases within classroom, across the school, and among families of students and staff in the community. We know how to protect our kids in school. We have the tools. The CDC's guidance for school lists vaccination as the #1 way to protect everyone. Kids under 12 are not eligible for vaccination, and CDC says it is important for adults around them to get vaccinated to protect them. So that's all we have in today's video. Please continue to watch the space for more informative news. Thanks for watching us. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.